Right guys, so here she is. Brand new Audi E-Tron is now complete. Just look at it, absolutely beautiful. Okay, let me go through what we've done to the car. So fully wrapped in PWF smoked green, which has got like matte metallic finish to it. We've also ceramically on the top of it, PPF headlights, full D-chrome. So if you've seen previous in the video, the car was fully covered with the like silver parts, chrome parts all around. So as you can see, let me start from the front grille, the bottom lip, all this bit here, on the side, roof rails, literally everything is going in gloss black. Some of the parts we had them resprayed in gloss black, and some of the parts that we could wrap, we've wrapped them in gloss black. So yes, also we've done the front window tints, we've also the chameleon tint, the mirror has gone in gloss black, roof is gone in gloss black. Absolutely stunning. It's, to be fair, I can say this is one of the best we've done so far. So yeah, I'm really pleased with it, the way it came out. The reason we're shooting this here today, because of the unit you wouldn't be able to see the color as much. So yes, we wanted to show you the color, the actual color, how it looks, because it looks unreal. I don't know if you can pick the color still on the video, but I'm sure you do. It's probably better than obviously being in the unit. But yes, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.